आज पूरा देश बहुत ही धूमधाम से गणतंत्र दिवस मना रहा है। हर कोई देशभक्ति की धुन में मग्न हो चुका है। पूरा भारतवर्ष आज खुश नजर आ रहा है। आप कैसा महसूस कर पा रहे हैं और क्या कुछ कहना चाहें?
Well, first of all, happy Republic Day to everyone. This is the 77th Republic Day of India. Why this day is important? Because on from this day we applied the constitution on the people of India on all over the country. And why constitution is important? It is basically a rule book. Without any rule, no country can run. है ना? Even in fact, there are certain rules even in our at our home. So no country can run without the rules, without the regulations. So constitutions, it is basically, it acts as a parent, it acts as an advisor of India. So at this day, we remind that how our framers of the constitutions, how our ancestors, they tried their best to give us this future which we are living today. So the message is very clear that constitution is not just simple a rule book. As I said, that it works as a parent of India. So this is our responsibility, this is our moral responsibility to not just look over the fundamental rights in the constitution, but also to follow the duties, the fundamental duties which are also mentioned in the constitution.
पुराना सत्र खत्म हो चुका है और नया सत्र शुरू होने वाला है। क्या कुछ तैयारियां हैं विद्यालय परिवार की?
Well, we are all set to for the new session, and as this academic session is going to be ended in the few months, we have achieved certain milestones, and one of them is that this Phoenix Public School has tied up with very renowned Ellen Kota Institute, which is Ellen Online. So now the students from class 8 to 12th at this campus in Phoenix Public School, they will have this chance to also learn from the Ellen Online to shape their futures into the stream of engineering and the medical. So yes, we are the first in the town, we are the first in the city to have this tie up, to have this bond from the online Ellen Online Institute. So I wish that it is going to be very remarkable in the future and in the upcoming history of the Phoenix Public School.